Hey guys, TiarraLashay here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to play once again in the James Charles by Morphe palette. I just wanted to just dibble and dabble in it a little bit more, especially since they keep relaunching it. So I know a lot of you may be getting your hands on it. So I just wanted to come to you with another look. This one is colorful, but I feel like it's colorful on that spectrum to where, like, if you're not used to wearing colorful makeup, this is a good segue into wearing some colors. So I hope you guys enjoy. I think it's a perfect look for the springtime and just, like I said, incorporating some color into your life. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. And if you like this look, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. All right, so let's go ahead and hop right on into this. Okay, so first I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I am going to prime my eyes and then just use this buffing brush just to blend out the product. And the color that I'm using is Sand Tan. So as far as the palette goes, the first color I went into was the color Code James. It was just this rich, not really rich, well more, it's this like rusty color that I am using in the crease area kind of as a transition color. And then I'm just using a blending brush just to apply that. Still using those tapping motions like I did in my last video. And I also use some windshield wiper motions too. The next color I'm gonna go in with is 10% Off. This is a richer brown shade that I'm using to just deepen up the crease. And I'm using the same brush, and this time I'm using those packing motions more so just to get that application of that color to make sure that it is extremely pigmented. So now I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas product, and I'm just using that to cut my crease. And I'm just going to do a half cut crease today. You'll see when I'm applying this, I am looking down into my mirror and allowing my lids to go up, if that makes any sense. So that way I can get the shape that I need for my cut crease. Now I'm going in with the color Boutique, which is kind of like a burgundy brown shade, and I'm just using that to blend out the edges of the concealer and deepen the outer corners of the eye. And I'm also running that color a little bit onto the lash line just to create a kind of like V shape on the outer corner of the eye. Then I'm going in with the color 518, which is this orange shade. And all of the colors that I am using today are matte. And I'm just using that to create the transition between the brown shade and the yellow shade that I'll be putting onto the lid. Now I'm taking the color B, which is the bright yellow shade, and I would say the star of the hour, and I am just packing that onto the lid. I will say when I was working with B and 518, it was a little bit difficult to actually blend these colors together. However, you know, with just some work and just going back and forth, I was able to achieve a blend. So for the lower lash line, I'm taking the color Boutique, and I am just running that across the lash line with a pencil brush. Then taking the color 10% Off to blend that out. And then on the edges, I'm using the color Code James just to create that smooth gradient and that same look of the crease. Now I'm taking the Inglot gel liner and I'm just applying that to the lash line. I'm not creating a wing, I simply just want to conceal my lash band. These lashes that I am using are the Kiss lashes that I used in my previous video. I will link those down below. If you're looking for affordable mink-like looking lashes, this is a great brand to go to. They are affordable and you can get them at your local beauty supply store. Now I'm just taking that Inglot liner and I am applying that to my waterline and then just applying some mascara to the lower lashes. So for my lips, I'm going to be taking first the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the color Rouge to line my lips. Then for the color, I decided to go with red just to kind of bring all of these colors together. And I'm going to be using Karen's red lipstick in her ColourPop collection, and that is in the color Arriba. Then taking Makeup Shayla's gloss that she had in her collection with ColourPop, and that gloss is Neat Freak. So that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really like this look. Like I said, it's a great look if you're trying to play with some color, and it's awesome for the springtime. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.